From outside, it's almost impossible to tell this magnificent residence is built out of shipping containers. This beautiful house in Arkansas, United States is built exclusively using 5 shipping containers to create a 2-story residence with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and big open plan living spaces. A driveway ushers you into a covered entrance porch which serves as an outdoor patio to the house. From this entrance porch, you get into an open plan living. This is a view of the open plan living space, showing a close-up of the lounge area, a place for easy sitting with cozy sitting areas. This is the open view of the lounge space, showing a mix of furniture pieces and the kitchen in the background. It's a closer view of the same lounge area with a cozy couch, a floor rug, a wall-mounted TV, and exposed corrugated container walls and ceilings throughout. You'll also notice we have these black painted I-beams for structural support. Beautiful furniture pieces, a view of the house from the entrance door, a close-up of the lounge area with exposed corrugated ceilings and corrugated container walls. A view of the lounge area. I like the use of these orange furniture pieces. They bring a pop of color to this amazing living space. Beautiful setup of the lounge area. The overall setup of the living space with the kitchen and the breakfast counter as shown. A set of stairs that joins the upper story of the house. A closer view of the lounge area still. Beautiful orange furniture pieces. A nice turntable. A close-up of the leather easy chairs. The same view with a different chair. This is a close-up of the kitchen space. Cabinetry for your appliances. Additional space for storage. A galley style of kitchen. Beautiful wooden countertops. The general view of the hooded area around the kitchen space. A closer view showing stainless steel appliances. A well-lit kitchen space with high-level windows. A view of the cooktop and the hood above. The area around this kitchen island is raised a bit to create a breakfast bar that can comfortably sit 4. The sink space. A nice cozy dining nook with a round table that can sit 4 or 5. If you are planning to build your own shipping container house, we've put together the most comprehensive building guide on the market. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Good, let's proceed. This is a view of the first bedroom in the house. It is big enough and cozy to accommodate a double bed, even a queen bed. There's a nice leather couch, beautiful wall hangings, and a light color palette with exposed corrugated container ceilings and walls. I like the black painted container ceilings to create a bit of contrast and drama in this bedroom setup. A view of the same bedroom showing big glass windows. There's a ceiling fan to enhance indoor thermal comfort. A view of the same bedroom. Beautiful bedroom setup. Nice leather couch. Bedside cabinets high-level glass window, a close-up of the bedroom showing the bed area. I like this headboard and these bedside lamps. This is a view of the second bedroom. Similar arrangements, nice furnishings, different colors to make the spaces pop to create a bit of contrast against the white painted backdrop. A view of the same bedroom. A view of the same bedroom with additional furniture pieces to enhance comfort and stay. White color palette throughout. Nice purplish color on the bed headboard for some contrast. This is a view of the third bedroom. A nice single bed with under side storage. Beautiful setup. There's also a study cum reading table. Nice third bedroom setup. This is a view of one of the bathrooms. The bathroom stall, the toilet, and a wash and basin with storage. It's a bathroom mirror right there. This is a view of the second bathroom showing double vanities, nice glass shower cubicle, nice setup, nice setup, nice setup. Look at the lighting, very good lighting. The house has got this sauna kind of setup. Look at those two vanities, nice lighting, nice circular wall mirrors. I like the contrast of black and white. This is a view of the outdoor space. Nice retreat from the living area to the outdoors. An amazing setup. I like this covered porch and this covered drive area. Beautiful, beautiful outdoor spaces. Yeah, it's a view of the laundry nook. Next to it is some bike storage. It's a closer view of bike storage because I told you this is a place for bike lovers and hikers. Nice, nice setup of the bike garage. Good. What do you like about this amazing shipping container home? Would you live in this given a chance? Worry not. This beautiful house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. We have put together an amazing building guide, the most comprehensive shipping container home building guide you can find on the market. Nail it with our new complete guide on how to build your own container home. This guidebook includes over 300 pages of expert tips, step-by-step instructions, real examples, full color pictures, and professional illustrations structured into 14 detailed chapters. Inside the book, you'll find a free bonus, a floor plan of our most popular design, a real-world case study, and a checklist to plan your building costs. Download 2 free chapters of the book now. Grab your copy today using the link in the description below and start building. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via email using info@sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.